Inside the cage, the other dogs push the human's body and make their way out of the kennel, led by Hagen. While Hagen leads a pack of hundreds of dogs to the orchestra venue. Around the city, people notice that the dogs have gotten loose and panic begins to spread, with dogs causing real chaos around the place. After crossing the entire city,
barking and growling menacingly, but the brave mother cat was determined to protect her kittens at all costs.
The bomb! You got 45 seconds.
I told you we're on it.
You should take an anger management course. Boomerang!
Whoa! Look out, kid!
Nice catch.